Aliyah?
Aliyah.
May
Aliyah.
Aliyah Airport?
Queen Aliyah.
Queen Aliyah. Aliyah is a queen, no? Ito yung kabilang airport.
Si King
naman. King Airport. So yung Jordan is monarchy, no? Monarchy na government. The king is the head of the state.
Oh, so that's what monarchy means.
So we're 30 minutes to our destination. Hotel ba to? Airbnb?
It's a house, I don't know.
Ha?
Dahil it's Filipino, half Filipino, married to a Filipino ka siya.
Yung may-ari. Okay, so magandang
It's recommended.
It's Airbnb, highly recommended, no?
It's not an air, it's a hotel.
It's a hotel. Boutique hotel siguro.
A boutique hotel.
Okay.
You're not in the lake. Ay, the lake pala.
Places ko is
Parang
the
Pilipinas pa ito, walang lake
left
niya.
side. Reference mo is left side, the bus lane.
Oo, ito mga upscale houses na. Kanina mga shanty houses.
We just rented Nissan Sunny, because search namin online, favorite na car rental to. I'm sure because of the aircon.
Why?
Nissan is, walang tatalo sa aircon ng cars, Nissan.
Okay.
This is Middle East, so you need good air conditioning. So we left Dubai mga 1:35. We arrived mga past 3 na here in Jordan. This is the first. Lumampas tayo. Ako. Lumampas tayo, may.
Yeah, ganun.
Ikot lang, no? Dapat pasok pala tayo doon. Hindi siya nagsisignal, no? Dapat pasok pala tayo doon kanina. Anyway, nag-tour lang tayo. So what is good about Jordan? Wala naman ng toll fees pala dito.
We're entering the city.
Wala siyang paingayin pala natin to. Kasi kanina dapat nag-turn right tayo eh.